niyo po ba yung one-third of the House of Representatives who initially approved the impeachment complaint last year, no, of Vice President Sara Duterte, ay magpapakita ulit sila ngayon, given the political climate medyo, or nakikita mo may shifting na rin?
Okay, if I was a betting man, I would think that lulusot pa rin yan, but not with the same numbers, not with the same gusto, not with the same overwhelming numbers that we saw, if I was a betting man, that we saw in the last impeachment attempt, because nalalapit na tayo sa election eh. And as Diego said, people are picking sides. Medyo the deadline is
Reassessing
approaching.
their alliances.
The wall is coming, di ba? You gotta pick a side.
Kumbaga,
so tingin ko, lulusot pa rin eh.
Kumaga, Alan, ibabato na naman to sa Senado at itest na naman ang forthwith.
Yan. Titignan natin kung talagang forthwith yan or yung new definition of forthwith na uupuan pala at magkakamot ng ulo at gagawa ng sandwich at magtitimpla ng kape.